You have a precious memory that you want to preserve? Well, at UE, that's just what we do. Want to see how?
Take, for example, this love note. We scan the note and upload it into our software. Then you choose what you would like to have it engraved on. We have a large selection of products to choose from. Not seeing anything that strikes your fancy? No worries, you're always welcome to bring in something of your own you'd like customized. We bring your memory here and load it into our software. A little editing and it's time to line up the item we're going to engrave. Now here's the cool part. The result? A preserved memory. Something that will far outlast that paper that the precious note was written on. Something to look at, something to touch to bring back those warm and fuzzy feelings.